Kia Motors India has hosted the world premiere of the first car for India with the Kia Seltos SUV. The Seltos comes with a BS6 diesel and petrol engines. It will be launched in many other markets around the globe. The company will have a GT line of the Seltos 2, India's first sport SUV version. This will be a 1.4-litre turbo GDI with a 7 DCT or a dual-clutch transmission. Prices of the Seltos will be announced later. The vehicle was launched in the presence of Han Woo Park, CEO and President, Kia Motors Corporation, and other senior officials of Kia Motors. The engine options for the Seltos include a petrol engine, a turbo petrol, and a diesel engine. And these will be offered in 3 automatic transmission options: an intelligent continuously variable transmission or IVT, 7-speed dual clutch transmission or DCT, and a 6-speed automatic transmission along with a 6-speed manual transmission. Users can choose the combo that conforms to their driving style. The vehicle will offer 3 driving modes: normal, eco, and sports. The mid-SUV Seltos sports a wide tiger nose grille, a recognizable design element of Kia Motors. The vehicle has a long hood, a robust exterior design line on the front bumper, and sharp lines pressed in the bodywork. It has crown jewel LED headlamps, Kia signature heartbeat-shaped LED DRL and tail lamp, ice cube LED fog lamps, 3D multi-layers, side turn indicators, diamond-shaped knurling on front grille. It has a well-designed lower air dam and bumper. At the rear, it has a dual muffler design on rear bumpers, a bridge chrome line on rear. The vehicle is being offered with 8 color combinations and 5 two-tone color options. The plush interiors will have a pure air management system, rear door curtains, ventilated seats, second row USB chargers, 2-step reclining rear seats, and various storage spaces. There will be a music linking mood lamp linked to the Bose 8-speaker system. It's like a club effect. It will have a 10.25-inch screen and 7-inch LCD cluster, including an 8-inch head-up display. The Seltos will be equipped with a segment-first 360-degree camera with blind view monitor and driving rear view mirror monitor or DRVM, and rear and front parking sensors. Like some of the connected cars recently launched in India, the Kia Seltos comes with Uvo Connect, an advanced connected car technology which offers an array of convenience and safety features. The Uvo technology can be summoned via a dedicated button on the inside rearview mirror. The IRVM also has a dedicated roadside assistance and SOS button that alert the call center in case of an emergency. The Uvo boasts of 37 smart features under 5 distinct categories of navigation, safety and security, vehicle management, remote control and convenience. The Uvo facility will be free for the first 3 years for its users. Features like AI voice command, stolen vehicle tracking and immobilization, auto collision notification, SOS, emergency assistance, etc., remote engine start and stop, remotely operated air purifier and in-car quality monitor, and safety alert like geofence, time fence, speed, valet, idle, etc. will be available in the Seltos. Safety has been given a priority with this Kia Seltos with ABS, with EBD, electronic stability control, brake assist system, traction control system, hill start assist control, 6 airbags, vehicle stability management, etc.